Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Gadgets.com, and today we are going to do a hands-on review and overview of the Nokia Lumia 2520. Here we have the tablet with us, and this is the first Nokia tablet which is running on Windows RT 8.1. When it comes to the display, we have got a 10.1-inch full high-definition display, that is 1080p, and this is an IPS LCD display with quite high brightness as well and very less reflection. If you actually take a look over the screen, we have a lot of light falling on the display, but the display is still clear. I can read the contents on the screen, which is pretty good, and this is something which we really like. As far as the screen is concerned, we have got a Gorilla Glass 2 protection on the display, on the front display, which is not going to get the scratches very easily. That is something which I can tell you. You can always use it with the pointed objects as well, but it won't get the scratches very easily. Now, as far as the other specifications for the tablet is concerned, we have got a 6.7 megapixel camera, which has got Zeiss optics, as you can see. So it has got Zeiss optics, and it is 6.7 megapixel camera on the tablet as far as the back side is concerned. When it comes to the front, we have a 2 megapixel fixed focus front camera, which is a wide angle front camera, so you can take self-portrait shot from this front camera as well. When it comes to the video recording, which we can do from the back camera, we can do a high definition video recording at 1080p at 60 frames per second. We are not sure whether you can record the high definition video at 1080p at 30 frames per second. And when it comes to LTE support, the version which we have here with us is the US version, and this will support LTE. However, when it comes to India, it will not support LTE as of now, if it comes very soon. But when it comes to other features, we have Nokia Music, which will come on this device, which will again give you music download for free. Whenever it comes to India, it will have Nokia Hair Map. So this is just like another Windows 8 tablet, but with a difference, because the kind of build quality which we see on this device as far as the other Windows tablet which we have seen is pretty good. You have got the latest version of Windows 8.1 RT on this device preloaded, which is also very good. It stands out of the crowd because the build quality is definitely better good because it comes from Nokia. So if you actually take a look over this device is pretty big on the display front, but still it weighs very light. As compared to the other Windows tablets, the weight of this device is very light, and that is something which we can notice. As far as the build quality is concerned, the edges are actually kind of rounded, which will again give you a better grip when you hold the device in one hand, and it will not cause any problem to you whenever you are going to carry it. It is quite portable to carry. You can easily handle the tablet in one hand. However, you won't be able to use it with one hand because it has a pretty big display, and definitely you can't use it with one hand. When it comes to the ports and connectivity, let me just show you the ports and connectivity as well. So as far as the connectivity of this tablet is concerned, we have a 3.5mm audio jack on this side on the edge, as you can see. Here we have the slot for the power. So the power cord will go over here to charge the tablet. At the bottom we have the connection for the dock. So this is for the dock connection in case you want to mount this tablet on a dock. On this side we have the USB 3.0 connectivity port. So you can connect a USB hard drive which has a USB 3.0 cable and capability. So you can connect a USB 3.0 device with this tablet and transfer the data. And on this side we have the micro HDMI for the TV out. We have the USB 3.0 connectivity port over here. When it comes to the back side, we have got a 6.7 megapixel camera at the back on this tablet, and we have a secondary mic as well on this device for the video recording and noise cancellation. On the top we see the volume rocker, which is a kind of a glossy button, a chrome finishing, and we have the power and sleep key over here. And here we have another port for inserting the memory card into this device. In order to remove this, you will have to use the SIM ejection tool, and you can open it and insert the micro SD memory card to expand the storage of this device. So here we see the micro SD memory card slot. So there is a tray which comes out from this device where you can insert a micro SIM and a micro SD memory card as well to expand the storage of this device. So here we have the tray, and as you can see on the tray we have the slot for the micro SIM and the micro SD memory card. So you can expand the storage of the device with the micro SD memory card, and you can insert a micro SIM into this device to use 3G on it. Apart from the connectivity, when it comes to the specifications, we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 chipset on this device, and we have 2.2 GHz quad-core processor. When it comes to the battery is actually huge on this tablet. That is 8000 mAh, which is definitely going to give you much higher battery backup as compared to any other 10-inch tablet which you have in the market. And again, when it comes to the colors, it will come in red, white, cyan, black color as well. And this is how the tablet looks like from the front side. And again, I would like to say, in terms of the overall performance, this is going to be one of the most powerful Windows 8 tablet which you can use right now. It is running on the latest version of Windows RT 8.1. It has got a full high definition display, and again the display is quite crisp and clear, as you can easily notice. If you even take a closer look from the camera on this display, there is no pixelation which you can notice, and that is something which we really like about this device. However, we are not sure whether a pro version of this tablet will come or not, but we will definitely like a pro version of this tablet to come soon as possible. When it comes to the connectivity and applications, you have all the applications supported which are there on the Windows Phone platform. You have Facebook, Twitter application, you have Microsoft Word application which will allow you to edit documents on the go. You can create Excel sheet, you have YouTube application, you have all these large number of applications which are supported on the device. So in terms of the functionality and the capability of this device is going to perform pretty good on the entertainment part of it. When it comes to the front camera, we have got a 2-megapixel front camera which is a fixed focus camera, and we have the earpiece over here, I guess. And so when it comes to the speakers, we have speakers on the front side as well. We have dual speakers, one over here and another over here, as you can see. And we have a speaker or earpiece, I'm not sure, but we do have a cutout over here as well, which could be a speaker or could be earpiece as well. However, we do not have voice calling functionality on this tablet supported. When it comes to the camera view, let me just show you the camera UI. So whenever the camera is on, you will also get this LED notification light up that the camera is on. And let me just show you the clarity when it comes to the photos which you will get from the 6.7 megapixel camera which is there at the back side of this device. And let me just take this photo as of now. You do have tap to focus, and also you can capture the photo by just tapping on the screen, and this is how the photo looks like. In terms of the overall colors, I would say this photo is really good. When it comes to the overall clarity, the clarity is again pretty okay, not too good, but again we have low light scenario over here, so we will need to check this in the daylight scenario, and then only we will be able to tell you how the photo look like in terms of the overall clarity. So as of now, it has actually taken a series of photos out of which we can select the best. So we can move the dialer over here, and then we can select the best, which one is the best out of all these, and we can save them. And once you have done that, you can always go back by pressing over here, and you can again launch the camera UI. And let me just show you the camera UI from the front side. So this is the back camera view, and when it comes to the front camera, let me just show you the same. So this is how the view will look like from the front camera again, as you can see. This is a 2-megapixel camera. Again, you can do a high definition video chat from the front camera on this device. And when it comes to the panorama mode, you do have panorama mode supported on this device. You also have a 360-degree panorama mode on this. So that's all from us as far as the quick hands-on review and overview of the Nokia Lumia 2520 tablet. This is a pretty decent tablet which is at 10.1 inch in terms of the display. The resolution is high definition, the performance is pretty good. This is one of the most powerful tablets which you can buy in the market. It is not available here in India, but it will come very soon, definitely. And when it comes to the capabilities and the camera performance, the rear camera performance is pretty good in low light, whereas daylight it is better. When it comes to the front camera, you can do a high definition video chat from the front camera as well. You have a capacitive Windows Home button on this device, and we see the design of this device, which is pretty good. It is also very light as compared to the other 10-inch tablet which we have seen as far as the Windows 8 tablet is concerned. The connectivity is superb on this device. You can connect a USB 3.0 drive as well to this device. You have HDMI out, the micro HDMI out over this device, and you have the buttons for the power and sleep key and the volume rocker. You do have expansion slot for the memory card as well, so you can expand the storage of this device as well. You can use a SIM card inside for 3G connectivity on the go. So this tablet is pretty decent. The back side of this tablet is again matte finish, which is pretty good. You have the Nokia branding over here. You have the Zeiss optics, secondary camera for noise cancellation and video chat. So again, this tablet is pretty good both on the performance front as well as on the build quality. So we will let you know more once we do the detailed review of this tablet. Thanks for watching this video. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.